Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to talk about situation that I made a video in YouTube 1 year ago and recommend 3 cheap stocks and also KORU ETF as a bonus. Look here this video and the price chart what I said here.
See, it's pretty cheap, and this is pretty good conditions. I can say perfect condition to buy now because the price is pretty low, and you can buy and earn around more than 10x. Let's see in weekly charts here, and
Look here, I want to show you potentials.
let's count the potential right now. It's around. If you buy from here, if the price increases to this high, it will be uh, 12x, 1135%. If the price is hit here, you will earn 70x. It's pretty high potential for me, for my.
Okay, let's go and let's see the price chart of KORU. Wow, and look here, 1619%. Look here. And KORU ETF really impressed me. Look. The point that I recommended here, or even here maybe, it is 1800%. It means 19 time profit. So it is really impressive. Even who are lucky and who bought on the all-time low with squeeze, it is 2700 or even 3000%. Wow. And what I recommend in this current situation, of course, if you invested at these points like $80 point or 40, so I recommend to sell and get out from this ETF. Why? Because this ETF did already this all-time high, and every moment it could be crushed, and it could be crushed, for example, minus 80%. Let's change the color here to the red one, and it is better visible here that it's very dangerous situation, and it is your chance to sell and get out if you have that decision. About buying, of course, I don't recommend. The only stupid people will enter into this ETF on this green line, and it is extreme greed must be. Yes, it is extreme greed, and I recommend to get out from this because this is only your one opportunity. Maybe I could be wrong. Maybe the price could continue growing, but you are investing just for 30%, just 50%, or just 20%. Why? Why you put your money under risk just to get 60% profit on KORU? And it is low chance to have a gain here, and it is higher chance to see the crash. Okay, the next time I will make video about KORU maybe after 3 months ago, and let's see what will be happen. If uh, the price will go up, I will accept it. I was wrong about KORU and the price was go high again. But if the price will crash, I will say and understand that my forecast works in the case of crash as well. So you could see here that my forecast about growing on KORU ETF actually works, and it's one of the best results ever that I can show here right now. Alright guys, hopeful that this video is helpful for someone who invested KORU at this price and see the profit like this. Other bloggers maybe start making video about KORU and recommend to buy, saying jump into this is rocket, this is skyrocket, and it will go to the $3,000, even 5,000, even 10,000. It's bullshit. Don't believe on them. So subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find my video helpful, and if you want to see more videos from me about stocks, about crypto in general, and feel free to watch my other videos here provided. And you can also join to my Telegram channel. Here is a link available to join. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in comments down below. And what you think about KORU ETF. Please write your opinions and I will read your opinions. Okay. Now I'm saying you see you in the next video. Always be positive and plus 14% of KORU gain yesterday. It's good and you can sell it today right now. Bye bye.